welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to share with us 3 makossa lines which I just played right now. Please, if you are new to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to get more feature videos like this. Thanks and God bless you. Okay, I played everything on the key of F sharp, so the voicing, the drum and the bass you heard was actually coming from my loop app on my phone, so you can hear the clap. This is my loop app on my phone. So now on F sharp, the first one I played was like this. So my pitch bend was actually in the rock, which is, so I was now actually using 2 chords, shaking the pitch bend, which is like this, which is, but now when I was using the pitch bend, I was now doing it like this, which is, now the second one is very popular, which is the normal makossa line. So I was still using my pitch bend, I was actually using my pitch bend, which is, so the last one it's just an inversion of your do and your re and your mi. So let me play it again. I actually added some other solo lines, so don't mind me, I was kind of carried away. Thanks for watching. Please click on the subscribe button to get more future videos like this. God bless you.